Good morning, students. This is Tara Kumawar, your SST teacher. I welcome you in BPS online classes once again. Due to lockdown, we have started the online classes. I hope this is beneficial and useful for you. The first layer of class 4 is great personalities. In our last class, we learned about Gautam Buddha, and today we discuss on a new topic, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Let's start. Dear students, in our last class, we were learned about Gautam Buddha, and now we will learn about Raja Ram Mohan Rai. This picture is Raja Ram Mohan Rai. राजा राम मोहन राय के बारे में मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बता दूं। राजा राम मोहन राय समाज और धर्म सुधारक थे। उन्होंने समाज और धर्म में जो बुराइयां थी, उन बुराइयों को मिटाकर उनकी जगह अच्छाइयों को कायम किया। उन्हीं के बारे में हम इसमें राजा राम मोहन राय के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। Raja Ram Mohan Rai was a social and religious reformer of India. He was born in West Bengal. Since childhood, he was keen on learning new language. He could speak Bengali, English, Latin, Persian, Hebrew, Sanskrit, Arabic and French. He promoted unity and love for all. Contributions. Raja Ram Mohan Rai established an organization, Brahm Samaj, which was open to all. राजा राम मोहन रॉय ने एक संगठन स्थापित किया और वह सभी के लिए था, किसी एक धर्म के लिए नहीं था। उसका नाम उन्होंने ब्रह्म समाज रखा। He promoted women's rights. He encouraged education and learning of English language. For this, he established the Hindu College and Vedanta College in Kolkata. He also published newspapers and came to be known as the father of Indian journalism. Now students, today's homework is the checkpoint. First question for you. Who was Raja Ram Mohan Rai? राजा राम मोहन रॉय कौन थे? आपको ऊपर से इनके आंसर लिखने हैं जो अभी हमने पढ़ा। सेकंड, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फाउंडेड बाय राजा राम मोहन रॉय? उस संगठन का नाम लिखना है जो राजा राम मोहन रॉय द्वारा स्थापित किया गया। थर्ड है, why was Raja Ram Mohan Rai called the father of Indian journalism? राजा राम मोहन रॉय को इंडियन जर्नलिज्म का जनक क्यों कहा जाता है? स्टूडेंट्स, राइट these questions in your notebook and give their answer. Okay, thanks.